In this video, we will show you how to apply Chromakey to the PIP window. Let's use input 11 as the background image and input 12 as the Chromakey source. First, enter the main menu, then the Keyer menu. Select Key 1 in the Keyer option, and under Keyer control, select Chroma and PIP. Next, go to Chroma menu, select Key 1 in the Keyer option, then select Input 12 in the Key Source option. Locate and press the Key 1 Program button in the Keyer button group on the keyboard, and you should be able to see a Chroma-keyed Input 12 image on the background. Next, adjust the Chroma-key setup parameters to make the Chroma-key effect look more natural. Finally, adjust the PIP setup parameters to place the Chroma-key effect in the right position. This completes the configuration of a Chroma-keyed image in the PIP window.